Welcome back. It's CHEFDVINE. It's better eats. Yo, get your plate. We get spaghetti, better known as Getty. Yeah, it's a Getty. Come get your Getty. Put it in the water. Yo, we eat noodles in boiling water. Those wheat noodles cook it well to a down T. I said a down T. Get your sauce. It's called Divine Sauce by CHEFDVINE. Order it online. Then mix your noodles in with your sauce. Get some tomatoes and mix it well. Enjoy. You love that smell? Now grab your bowl. Get it up in that bowl and enjoy. See you next week, 'cause we on fleek. Peace and bless. It's better A lessons on Sundays, 11:45. Hey, did you hit the bell? Who? You. Thanks for choosing #BetterAce and helping us grow. Now go be great. You did. Peace.